Hello, this is a brief demonstration of how to anonymize your document. This is important if you are going to submit your document to a journal. And of course, if you type your name within the text of the document, that's another thing. But your document will also have your name in some places that are hidden. And those are what you need to remove because the reviewers could find them if they wanted to. So here is the title page of my document. And here you can see I have a comment right here, and it has my name. So how can I keep the comment but remove my name? That's the issue. So to do that, we go to File, Info, and you can see here that I'm the author of the document, and we want to remove this. So the question is, how do we do that? And how you do it is you go to Inspect Document, and to be sure that it's only the information we want removed, click only on this one, and then click on Inspect. And you can see it says the following document information was found: document properties and author. So to remove this all, we just click here. And we've clicked. And now it says document properties and personal information were successfully removed. And now it says there are no documents or personal information was found. However, if we look here, we can see my name is still here. Why? That's because after you do this, you have to save the document. If we click on Save, now it says Author here. So that's all you need to do to remove your name. Now your name is also in one other place. If you go here down to here, Options, you can also see my name, but this is okay. This is your registered name for all your Microsoft 365 documents. So you don't need to worry about that, and it will not change. Okay, so I hope that is helpful. Thank you.